I loved the interaction. You know, it wasn't just boring seminars just all day. It was actually activities that actually drove home the same concepts that we would have learned in the seminar.
Yeah, whether like you're married for 36 years like some of the others or newlywed or somewhere in between, I think it would benefit everybody.
No matter how long you've been married, you can also learn and strengthen your marriage and have really enhanced my marriage. Although I've been married 42 years, it still helped me today to know that things can change and to help you. And I have really enjoyed myself.
We really enjoyed it. It's been informative and helpful, and I think it'll be really good for our marriage and a good way to have activities that really promote how to work together as a couple.
All couples need to come and do this. This is an excellent opportunity. Excellent.